Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you a neat trick in Photopea that will allow you to change the color of a specific object within your photo. It's a handy technique that can really make your images pop, so let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up your image in Photopea. Once you have it open, navigate to the Layers panel at the bottom and create a new adjustment layer by clicking on the icon. From the drop-down menu, select Hue/Saturation. Now, here's the important part, right-click on the Hue/Saturation layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This ensures that the adjustments we make will only affect the layer directly beneath it. Next, a Properties tab will appear where you can fine-tune your adjustments. If it doesn't pop up automatically, just click on the Properties tab. Now, let's say we want to change the color of a red car to purple. Click on the drop-down menu next to Master and select the color range you want to adjust. Since our car is cyan, we'll choose cyan. Now, you can play around with the sliders to adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness until you achieve the desired color. It's a bit like playing with digital paint. And there you have it. That's how you can easily change the color of a specific object within your photo using Photopea. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.